Okay guys, just open your settings application, then select accessibility from the left side and then select display and text size, then scroll up. Then you can see there is an option of color filter. That means color filters can be used to differentiate colors. So you can simply use this function on your iPad. It will be helpful for some persons who have disabilities with eyes. Okay, and I can see now it is grayscale, and also we can change like green red filter or blue yellow filter or color tint. Okay, I'm going to select the grayscale, and now it is on the black and white window. You can see here now it is totally black and white. So that's guys, you can simply choose any color filter, so it is look like this. So if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.